So today we will study about the antigen presenting cell. Actually we will study on the topic of antigen presentation. So first of all we will see about the antigen presenting cells. So antigen presenting cells are a specialized cell which include macrophages, B lymphocytes and dendritic cell. So these are the antigen presenting cells. In short we can say it as APCs. So you can remember it with a simple formula like B D M, that is B cell, dendritic cell and mast cell. So these are the antigen presenting cell, and these antigen presenting cells are distinguished by two properties. So what are those properties? So those properties are, let me take one eraser. So those properties are, they express class 2 MHC molecules. So they express class 2 MHC molecule on their membranes. So suppose this is a antigen presenting cell. It can be B cell, dendritic cell or mast cell. So it contains MHC class 2 on its membranes, and they are able to deliver a co-stimulatory signal that is necessary for the activation of TH cell also. Okay, so these are the two main distinguished properties of the antigen presenting cells. So how antigen presenting cell actually works? So antigen presenting cells first internalize the antigen. They will first internalize the antigen, and either by phagocytosis or by endocytosis. These are the two terms. So suppose this is a antigen presenting cell and we have a antigen. So this cell can take it in two ways: by internalizing antigen by phagocytosis, that is it can engulf it by making a structure like this, like pseudopodia, or it can take it inside by endocytosis. And these two methods are method of the bulk transport. So the TH cell specifically interact with the antigens of the class 2 MHC molecules complex on the membrane of the antigen presenting cell. So this mainly is done by the TH cell. This is important. And what type of interaction it recognizes? It recognizes MHC class 2 on the antigen presenting cell, leading to the initiation of the co-stimulatory signal by the antigen presenting cells, leading to the activation of the TH cells. Now let us understand about the major histocompatibility. So I used to in the previous slide I said that there is MHC class 2 molecules. So the same thing, MHC means major histocompatibility. The MHC loci are encoded